Right, guys, let's talk about sales channels. In particular, let's talk about Facebook shop. So you'll see on my store it says Facebook, and these collections, these products are being shown on Happy Me Philosophy's Facebook page. So if I view that page, it's actually already open here, you can see that the shop, in the shop tab on your Facebook, I've got all my products, all my hats, t-shirts, everything, right? So it's quite easy to do. Let me just do that. If I just search mug, will it search to that? Should do, right? Yeah, mug. So you can see in Facebook, you can jump to that mug. You can decide on the bigger glass or the smaller one. So you go with the smaller one. You can see pictures of the smaller one, and then check out on the website, and it jumps you straight to checkout. If you're in the US, you can actually make the checkout in Facebook, and I think Facebook can take the money for you, from what I understand. But it says that I can't do that because I am not in. I'm not in America, right? So if I go to account, Happy Me, your Facebook shop is enabled. Your products collection published. Increased. Facebook eligible US customers check out on Facebook. Disabled. Your store is not eligible. So you probably have to have some stipulation to get it. So what happens with the store is that in the products you decide whether it shows on the store. So I've got all products. It's actually, to me, all is a collection. So what you do in your collections is you can. So if I go to this Happy Me Unique Sheep collection and go up here to sales channels, so you'll see down here all my different sales channels, and then I can manage. And if I don't want that unique sheep to show up in Facebook, I just uncheck it, click done, and that tab will eventually go. And the same with products. If you don't want, or you want certain products to show, so say this anything can happen poster, I don't want to show in Facebook. In fact, it isn't showing on Facebook at the minute. So it just shows on online store, and you click done and save. I probably never saved the collection option, did I? Did I? If I go back to the unique sheep, manage, turn Facebook off, done. I didn't click save, right? So now it's saved. When I go back to Facebook, I think it's pretty much instant. Yeah, the sheep has gone, and then the anything can happen items here. Sometimes I don't know if it's an instant change or not. Or it takes a while to sync every now and again, right? So I'm just showing you that it's a really easy way to sell your products on Facebook. Search pocket anything, right? I don't think it's yet to sync. It syncs. It must sync once a day or once every so many hours. I'm not sure exactly when it syncs. But to do it, I'm gonna delete this Facebook. I'm gonna show you from scratch how to do it, right? So I'm gonna go to sales channels, and I'm gonna delete it. Manage my sales channels and delete, because I'm gonna put it on my Facebook page, not the Happy Me Philosophy one, because a lot of people are coming to my shop. I decided to make it the Paul Nicholson shop, not the Happy Me shop, but that's another story. So what you need to do is see up the top here, grab this URL or make a note of it. It's your shop is myshopify.com and whatever comes before it. So mine's happy-me-shop, right? I'm going to copy that. But that is when I link to Facebook, it's going to ask me for that. So when I go here now, sales channel, add, it's going to show up that Facebook's available to add. I'm going to click add. It's going to say to me, what is your Shopify URL? Well, it's proving me wrong, but I've just done it, and it did ask me for it, but maybe it's not going to ask it this time. It's going to make me look a fool. So I'm going to connect account, so maybe it will ask now. if it asks you, last time I did it, and that's why I've just jumped back into this video, it asked me for that URL, and I didn't put it in. I just came back to it, and it's now, it seems to have jumped past it. So if it asks you, that's what you need to put in. But if it doesn't, don't worry about it. So I'm going to connect as me and click OK. So obviously I'm happy that is Shopify secure. Select my Facebook page. So I'm going to use it on mine this time. Paul Nicholson, connect to page. Read the terms, accept the terms. And you're done. So it's going to take 48 hours for him to review it's going to review your site, it's going to review what you're selling. Products that you have to put on that won't show, they can't be free, and they have to have shipping. I don't know why. So it has to be a physical product that's shipped, and it has to be more than $1, more than zero price. So it's going to take now a few days for it to sync. I think it'll be less than that though. Some things will be a little short. This may take a few minutes, so I'll just leave it and I'll refresh it in a second. But then, like I say, you're going to be able to filter what shows on Facebook. You're going to be able to go to your products, click on an item, manage the item and decide where it's sold. Look, Facebook's ticked. If you don't want it to, obviously we've got a buy button on Instagram too. In another video I'll show you in setting up Instagram. I'm still waiting for Instagram to review my site, so nothing's showing on that. So I want to show you it working and then show you how to install it. So Instagram isn't working yet, and then the buy button is somewhere you can embed code in other people's websites, in your blog, in your WordPress, and create a shop on another website where they can actually go through the full buying process elsewhere. And I'm going to show you how to do that in another video too. So I know that one didn't quite finish as well. There we go. Now it's showing. Look, so it's now I'm seeing all the collections that I'm showing. I'm seeing how it will order. If I want to change it so that clothing's the top, I can change it. Collection visibility, collections you want. If collections marked visible or appear in shop, sync your collection. So when I did that, I could have clicked sync there, right? So when I added that new item, I should have synced it. View on Facebook. So now it's on my page, not on the Happy Me, and it's going to say processing for everything. So Facebook are going to check that it's not a zero value, that it's got a delivery address package. It's a product you send out. Also, I know in the past there's obviously Facebook stipulations on certain items. You can't promote body conscious sort of things that make people feel bad about their own bodies and stuff like that. I know I've had an error before on a fitness program because the image showed a slim girl and they said, well, you can't, that's just showing a body type for fitness or something. So I had to edit the picture. So it will process. It'll take a couple of days. When they're happy, they'll let me know. And then I'll be able to share from my Facebook page certain products. People can ask questions about them products, and I can jump in and help them out. Any questions? If you're in the training, ask in the training or ask on YouTube, wherever you're watching it. Full training on Shopify is on my website. I'll put a link below. Stay with it. Keep working. You will get it. And you can have a Shopify store that'll fly. Cheers.